Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to get started with the monday.com sales CRM. Let's dive right in. So CRMs are crucial for any business because they help manage customer relationships effectively. Monday.com has now launched a sales CRM alongside its project management tools. To access the sales CRM, head over to your monday.com's dashboard and click on the top left to find the sales CRM option. Select CRM from this and this is going to open your sales CRM dashboard. So the CRM tools are not free. Monday.com offers various plans, but you can start with a 14-day free trial to see if it works for you. Now in order to set up your CRM, first add a new workspace by clicking on this add workspace button and name it anything you want. Then click on Add from Templates button to choose a CRM template. There are several options like Basic CRM, Customer Project, Real Estate, and more. So I would like to start with the basic template because it's versatile and can be customized to fit your needs. So click on it and click on Use Template. Once you have applied the template, you can start customizing it. So the CRM template includes fields like Contact Board, Lead Board, Deal Board, Account Board, Activity Sales Dashboard, and Getting Started panel. Now I would like to start with the contacts because they are a key part of any CRM. In the contact board, you can categorize your contacts into groups like active, inactive. For example, if you have contacts you haven't interacted with for a while, you can move them to archived. So in order to create a new group, click on Add New Group option, name this group, for example, Archive. And in order to change the color of this group, you can click on this three-dotted icon and edit this group like collapse this group, add more group. You can rename this group, change group color. For example, I'll set it to pink. Now you can also add more details like an alternate phone number by clicking the add column button. So scroll to the right on this page, click on this small plus icon after any group and choose the type of information that you want to add. So I will choose, for example, email, or you can also select phone. So I'm going to click on more columns and search for phone. So I'll select phone. And as you can see, I just added a column named phone. Now you can edit this column and add more details on your board. For example, I will name this column alternate phone number. Now you can add any alternate phone number for these groups by clicking on this area and filling it in. And this way you can add more information about contact. Now some people might wonder how they can link different columns from other boards as well. So as you guys can see, you have this one contact and this contact is definitely going to be related to an account or a deal. So for that, let's take a look at our deal and account board. So this is deal board and this is account boards. So first you can go into deals over here and you will see the basic information about any deal such as a stage, the owner of the deal, which can be the person on your end of the business who is responsible for dealing with that business. Then you have the deal values and the particular contact that is related. Now you don't want to have to do this manually. What you can do is can create an automated process where you can select a particular contact and everything will be done automatically. To be able to do that, we can navigate to leads and then you will see that you have leads and also accounts. So account, deals and contacts all have these interlinks between them. So now I'm going to show you how you can add a contact, deal or account into your board. So let's say I want to build a new board. I'll click on this plus icon. Now I will select board and I will name this summary. You can also select the privacy and select what you're managing on this board by choosing all these options. But I'm going to skip that and click on create board. So I've named this board summary board to show you guys how you can link contacts and deals. Now let's say I want to add some information about the ongoing deals. So I will name this ongoing OG deal 1. Now I will name this one OG deal 2. Now over here I will illustrate the accounts that they are linked to and the contacts. So for that you'll have to click on the add column option, that is this plus icon. Now you'll have to select connect boards, that is this option. You can also type in connects. I'm going to click on connect boards. Now you'll automatically get the option to select a board. So click on select board and then you'll have to choose the account boards from this. So I'll select this and search for accounts. So I'll select account boards and you can also choose the contact boards. Now I'll click on connect boards. Now once you have done it, you can proceed further like this. And now you'll have to select these two boards like this. You're going to click on add column, then you'll have to click on connect. So after selecting the connect boards, you'll have to select the first deal. Now click on select boards, search for accounts, and now you're going to choose the contact boards. Now I'll click on connect boards. Once you've done that, go ahead and do the same with another ones. Now click on create a mirror column just right here. And you'll have to also make sure that you create a two-way connection. So create a two-way connection and click on connect boards. Now click on add column again and choose mirror from this. Now select this and click on connect. Click on connect boards. Now this is going to automatically show a column that you can use. Now in the account section, I want to display the name, contacts. Now in the deals, I will choose deal value. Now choose these columns according to your preference. Now once you have done that, you can go ahead to connect boards and choose the board that displays anything. For example, the companies. So if I select accounts in this, all the companies that will be related to the board will appear here. You'll have to just select this and this is going to show the company's name. For example, accounts here. If you choose deal, this is going to show the deal for that company. But you can choose whether you want to show the deal 1 or you can also add another deal just right here. You can also choose deal 2. And I will go ahead and remove this connect boards title and name this companies. I'll hit enter. So you can use this field and then you also have this mirror column that can help you in providing more information. You can also add different types of boards and then interlink them all together to make it easier for you to have an overview of your CRM. So I hope you found this video helpful and now you are able to get started with your Monday CRM because it is a great tool to use, and if you want to use it permanently for upwards of 5 seats or 5 members, it only costs $12 per seat per member. Thanks for watching.